Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy Thursday. So today we are bringing back my astrology themed videos. So every month until I guess we reach a full year, I'm doing a recipe inspired by an astrological sign that matches that month. So today we're making a Capricorn themed recipe. And so I looked up Capricorn, I was like, oh my gosh, I have such a good idea. So the symbol of Capricorn is a sea goat. And I thought that would be so cute to make cupcakes of, so that's what we're making today. And so before we get started, I'm gonna go into like what Capricorns typically are. And if you're a Capricorn, let me know in the comment section below if that's true or if it's like completely off. Alright, so Capricorns are responsible, disciplined, have a lot of self-control, and are good managers. And they like family, tradition, music, understated status, and quality craftsmanship. And I thought this was funny. Capricorn dislikes almost everything at some point. So if that's you, let me know. I think that's really funny. And yeah, let's get started and make our little sea goats. Okay, so first to bake the cupcakes, beat the butter and sugar with an electric mixer until it's pale and fluffy. Add the vanilla extract, coconut extract, and eggs one at a time. So these cupcakes are coconut vanilla flavor, and you can even smell it when you're mixing up the batter. It smells so good. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, baking soda, and salt. Add this to the batter in 2 additions, alternating with the buttermilk. Dye the batter pale blue. Pour the batter into a cupcake pan, lined with blue cupcake liners. Bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, and then cool them completely. Then to decorate them, you want to spread some buttercream on top of the cupcakes, and I'll have this recipe included in the full recipe that's linked in the description box below. Then dunk them in some shredded coconut. Then to make the horns, you're going to need 1 soft caramel per set of 2 horns. So in total, you're going to need 12 little soft caramels for the 12 cupcakes. So to make 1 set of horns, you want to roll a caramel into a long strip. Tear the strip in half and then roll them both out a little longer, and then tear those in half again. Then you want to wrap 2 strips around a toothpick to create a curly little horn, and then repeat with the remaining 2 strips to create a full set of horns. Then just repeat these for each cupcake and then stick them right into the cupcakes. Then to make the ears, use scissors to cut a jumbo marshmallow in half diagonally. And then you want to cut about 1/4 inch off the flat side of each marshmallow half, and then stick the sticky side of the marshmallow onto the cupcakes to look like ears. Then draw the eyes and noses onto the cupcakes with some black decorating gel, and you are done! So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. So if you're not a Capricorn and you want to see what I did for your sign, click this card here or the playlist or whatever linked up here in this general area, and I'll have a playlist of all the other recipes I've done so far. I think we're almost at a year. We have a couple more signs to go. So yeah, stay tuned. If I haven't covered your sign yet, I probably will in the next few months. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on Sunday for a new video. Bye!